Good morning, kitty. Welcome back to the vlog. Today is Saturday and this video is gonna be pretty much me just taking you along my Saturday and what I'm doing. This Saturday is gonna be just a little different because we have like choreo practice for cheer. So we're there for a little while, but we have choreo from 12:30 to 4:30 and we may have some after, but not for sure. But I also have work. Oh yeah, Chris is doing a challenge. This challenge is every 4 hours he's running 4 miles for the next 48 hours. So he's on 1, 2, 3, 4. He's on his 6th 4 hour. This will be his halfway mark. Here's like a little piece of paper that shows it. He's tracking it, but he is in pain. How you doing?
I'm doing good. I'm dying.
Also, look at this. I get FabFitFun boxes, and this is a little planter. So this came with it, and LED lights, and then basil leaves. And I just put soil in. I put the basil leaves in, and I just have to put water. And I should have like basils popping up soon, which is pretty cool. Coffee, coffee, coffee. So it is 10:47 and I have a client at 11, but she texted me that she's gonna be a few minutes late, so I'm at least gonna finish my breakfast before I go in. Yeah, I have work. I was rushing this morning because not only did I like have to prepare for work, but I also had to like prepare for like practice afterwards at 12:30. So I had to pack the bag for cheer, make sure like my makeup's done for cheer and all that, but I also had to make breakfast and all that stuff. So here I am. Finally made it. Just got done with practice. No, just got done with work. And now headed to practice, our 4-hour practice.
You just do it a little bit.
More often.
A little bit more often.
Just got done with practice. It is 5 p.m. We had practice from 12:30 to almost 5-ish, so that's about 4.5 hours. We did not have to come back though because we stayed a little longer. So I need to clean a little, and then I'm hungry. Yeah, I gotta eat. Go. Oh, what, Coco? That's your toy. It's your toy. Need food. Some of my new protein by Evolve, so never tried this before. We'll see. In it I have mango, banana, almond milk, ice, and the protein powder. Chris is on his, look, hold on. He's on his 8th run right now, 8 out of the 12. Insane how he's made it this far. Super proud. Since it is like an every 4-hour thing, he didn't like get much sleep last night, so he is like crashing when he gets back after like stretching and take showers stuff before the next one. So I'm currently about to cook dinner for him because I'm not hungry yet because I'm still working on my protein smoothie. But what I'm doing is he put out this salmon. I'm also gonna be cooking some couscous, wild mushroom and herb, and some Brussels sprouts. These are about to go bad and I need to use them. I've made salmon like so many times and I still can't remember like how to cook it correctly. 450 degrees, 12 to 15 minutes. Perfect. Good, okay.
What is this?
Yeah, open.
What is it? What is it? What is it? Dick? Here? Which one is it? Which one is it? Yeah, good job. Shake. Good. Come up. Hold it. Gentle. Good girl.
So I am also going to be showing y'all a tour of my apartment. Of course, I live with two other people, one being my boyfriend and one being another person on the cheer team. I've never really showed y'all where I live, so this is the front door, of course. This is where we put a lot of our masks, and it's over time piled up. Also where I put Coco's leash when we go, and she thinks that we're going right now. This is our couch. It came with the apartment. It kind of is not the best. Got some cute throw pillows and blankets though. A little table that Chris made a little mess of. Also, this thing, if you've ever been to Cracker Barrel, oh my gosh, it's my favorite thing to play. And plus you can like take these out. It's a really fun game. I like it. And you try to get to one only. This is my great grandmother's drawer and my mom renovated it. And now I get to have a piece of her things in my apartment. Here is one of my plants. This is actually real. And look at all the little bloomings of it. Oh, that one's fake though. That one's just for decoration. This is the cat house. And I have to put his food in here because Coco over there likes to eat it if it's out. So here's another little like love seat. Here's a little desk and all of our books right here, mainly my books, but there's a few others. Also there's my record player, some games, and also my records. I have my guitar on the side. Oh, cat. This is another one of my plants I got from a farmer's market. I don't know how, but it survived a whole summer without me watering it. That was last summer, and it's still thriving. I'm also trying to propagate another plant, see if it works. But I caught one of my longer ones to put in the water. TV. This is fake. This is not real. This is for decoration also. That's where Coco's dog food and water for both of them go. Here's our little like dining table, but we don't use it to eat on actually. Like we mainly use it just to put stuff on. Like we have bags and then cups. And then since Chris is doing this little running thing, he puts all of his like ice hot gels, IV liquid stuff all right there. It's a bark box that y'all saw us open yesterday. Over here, close to the door again, we have a little table, segways, those are Chris's. And then this door is our washer and dryer. Going to the kitchen, there's Chris struggling. He only has one more though. Over here, that's where paper towels are supposed to be, but I need to put one on there. A little weight thing. This is my planter that's supposed to be planting basil leaves soon. These are clean dishes that I hand wash. Here's our dishwasher also, which are clean as of right now. I need to take those out. Also, these are the best cleaning supplies for like dishes and stuff and like kitchen. Of course, our necessities right here, Keurig. I already have my cup waiting for me. Also, we have our espresso machine that can also froth milk. This is our roommate's Gunners. It's an iced coffee machine. I haven't tried it out yet, but a blender. This is our 3 things that we put ground coffee in, which is supposed to be, I think, right here. This is a stove top, our oven. Oh, we have a little toaster oven. Here's our microwave, and we put all of our bread stuff on top. Oh, can't forget the air fryer. We love our air fryer. In our cabinet's what we do. So here's like our coffee, my protein stuff cabinet. So like we put coffee up here, some ground coffee, some more ground coffee, some cinnamon, bagel stuff, protein, energy stuff. That's some like other coffee stuff at the top. This is like coffee cups and cups in general. Up there is all of our spices. We have a lot of spices. This one is mainly some random stuff also, but mainly what we use it for, or the aluminum foil in here, and then like our spray. This is our plates and bowls. As you can see, there's no plates. They're clean, they're just not in yet. Our bowls, and then like Tupperware up there. Here's our fridge. At one point last time, I sure it stopped working, but it is packed. We actually, all 3 of us, just went grocery shopping, so we are full on food. We also love condiments, as you can tell. Here's freezer stuff, some fruit, some gnocchi, some vegan stuff. This is our cabinet. This is mainly Chris and I's cabinet. This one is kind of like powder stuff. And then we have like some just packaged stuff, to be honest. Then this is the jars and the canned area, along with other things. And then this is like more storage stuff. We have like the flour, the sugars, the boxes of coffee. And then this is our roommates. Oh yeah, this is the plant that I'm trying to propagate from. As you can tell right here, I cut from, right there, or I cut from. It grew a lot. See, it goes all the way down. Moving into the bedroom. This is the desk area. These are all like my notebooks for school, some like loose papers. These are textbooks, there's iPad, a book I'm currently reading, and Emperors of the Deep right now. Calendars on top of this. I have the MacBook and my computer here. Here's some little decorations I have. So here's some more plants. These are real. That one is pretty much dead, but I just have it there still. Have a little salt lamp back there. Have a long mirror, which the cat keeps scratching at, so hopefully there's no scratches. This is like a junk drawer, and I kind of put just random stuff all in it. There's really no structure to that. This drawer is supposed to be like a computer one, but it's more of like my textbooks and stuff, and like calculator. I just store stuff out in there. Here's my bedside table. This is a thing that like a tray that you can put on the bed also, which is really nice. Here's like some of my drawers for clothes that I use. Also, so this is the normal color, which is in the whole apartment, of the apartment walls, but you can go on Amazon and there are these stickers that you can just put on the wall, and it makes like, this one's wood, so it makes it look like this side of the wall is wooden. It's really nice, and there's like brick ones and all of that. Here's the bed. Pretty nice, pretty nice. A little tapestry up there. This is our older TV that's like not the best. Hamper, here's like a lot of clothes too. And then I keep my laundry hamper for clean clothes when I do laundry. And then a cute little road outside. Going on to the office, Chris decided to take out like all of the stuff since we just use a bedroom. This is the office. So here's a futon instead that can be made into a bed when people come. And then we have a little mini fridge that we put stuff in. This is the
really nice desk and his double monitor and PC setup with a few of his selling and business books over here. Oh, and here's his Funko Pop collection, which I've helped out build onto, which is really nice. Really good collection so far. This is his accomplishments from his job from this past summer. Little bar that he got for Christmas. It's like a little bar cart that you can just roll around. And going into the bathroom in here, which is the same as the other, so I'm just gonna show this one. This is the regular countertop for the bathroom. This is like our storage for different things. Has like bath salts and ready-to-use soaps. Here's the toilet. A little cabinet with some towels. This one we use as the cat litter thing because it has been in the bedroom under the bed and it stinks so bad. We just put it in this bathroom because we really don't use this instead. Just go into this closet over here. But yeah, we use, this is the cat one in the other shower. And the other bathroom we use to take showers. There's a little door right here. And this is the closet for the bedroom. This is, as you can tell, the storage closet. Since we have 2 closets, we just use this to store everything that we have. So it's a very random, like we have all the dog food, cat food, paper towels, toilet paper, extra blankets, yoga mats, cat, get out. Come on, go. So yeah, that's just storage.